Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link Konami ID to eFootball PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To link your Konami ID to eFootball on your PC, start by launching the game. Once you're on the main screen, navigate to the Extras tab. In the Extras section, scroll down and select Support. Once you're in the Support section, you'll see the option at the top labeled Link Konami ID. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll be given two options. First, you can scan the QR code with your mobile device to easily link your Konami ID. Alternatively, if you're on PC, just copy the provided link and open it in your web browser. After that, you just have to paste the link into your browser's URL bar. Once pasted, you will be redirected to the Konami ID login page. Here, simply tap on the Proceed button and you'll arrive at the login form. Now just enter your email address and password, then tap on Login. You will be successfully logged into your Konami ID. And that's it. So that's basically how you can link Konami ID to eFootball PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.